with Figma, there's no walkthrough within the program itself for every single shortcut that you could ever need. And while some of these shortcuts are slightly different from what I would expect from an Adobe system, this is not an Adobe system. And this has been fantastic. You know, when I'm looking to learn a new program, as a designer, that can be somewhat daunting because we're not asked to do that very often. What I want is to avoid that interruption that you were talking about earlier, where anytime my flow gets disrupted and I have to go look up something somewhere else, I'm moved out of the ecosystem and I feel disconnected. And now I need to reconnect with the system and get back into what I'm doing. As someone with ADHD, that can be doubly disarming, where now I'm on the ecosystem and I found another link and I found another link and I found another link. And the next thing you know, I'm an expert in this one specific part of the program, but it's been 45 minutes and now I'm making a cup of tea and my work has been entirely disrupted. So within this system, being able to learn everything about all of the shortcuts and really improve my own usage within the product itself, great.